Welcome to Nano Tales, where even the smallest story can shake an entire kingdom. Did you know that love can become the most powerful weapon against darkness? In the great city of Lagos, there lived a girl named Zara, who carried a terrible secret. She was not human, but an alien who fed on the life force of people to survive. Her mission was simple: drain the energy from a young man named Alex and return to her people. But something unexpected happened. Alex's energy was different, beautiful, like music to her soul. Instead of taking his life, Zara found herself protecting him, falling in love with his gentle heart. When her alien fleet arrived demanding their harvest, they discovered Zara's betrayal. As punishment, they sentenced her to death. In desperation, she tried to drain Alex completely, but his touch awakened something incredible. He was part alien too, and their love created a power that could destroy the entire harvesting empire. And that day, the universe learned that love is the one force that can never be conquered.